Imagine being 13 and growing up hearing things like only girls need hygiene education or puberty is something you should avoid. Why something so simple is treated like a taboo?
Now imagine a classroom where every student taps a simple card and hears about their own body as well as record questions for their own well-being and physiology. That's exactly what LunaBox makes possible. My name is Divyansh.
And my name is Rudransh. Let's together understand what are the core problems our Indian society faces regarding this topic.
Puberty is a natural part of every growing ones, yet many youngsters are surrounded by silence and discomfort. In both rural as well as urban areas, there are taboos that block open conversation about it.
And this silence often leads to poor hygiene, discomfort, and emotional stress.
So what's the solution for this misinformation and discomfort?
The answer is LunaBox. LunaBox is a gender-neutral, multilingual educational kit that helps adults and children to understand what puberty is and how to deal with it.
So here's how our model works. Each student selects a unique RFID card. Then he or she taps it on the RFID reader. Afterwards, this RFID reader sends information to the Arduino board, which acts as the control unit of this whole circuit. This Arduino board sends message to the audio player module, which plays a pre-recorded message on a speaker, giving clear information about puberty, hygiene, and emotional health.
The entire system runs on rechargeable lithium battery, hence it can work without even electricity.
LunaBox is mainly designed for schools, workshops, and health awareness camps to provide open learning about puberty and the changes occurring during it.
Unlike other sex education kits, LunaBox offer a unique area-specific feature. Like in urban setting, it can expand its impact through a dedicated digital platform where children can submit their question with complete privacy and confidence.
In rural areas where internet is often limited, we offer a special feature of recording voices, where every student can record their voice without any hesitation, fear, or stigma. Later, this voice will be reviewed by our health volunteers or mentors who will give collective answers, ensuring that every student's doubt is being addressed without embarrassment or fear.
So basically, LunaBox envisions a healthier, more confident, and a better informed generation, one that understands and respects growing up.
It's not just a kit, it's a movement that normalizes conversation about puberty, that replaces shame with understanding, all through technology and inclusivity. Actually, the real change begins when awareness is transformed into action.
And the awareness we build today is the equality we celebrate tomorrow.
Thank you.